Hello everyone, in this video we will see Fedora and Linux Mint. Fedora and Linux Mint are both popular Linux distributions, but they offer different experiences when it comes to productivity and ease of use. Fedora is known for being cutting edge. It always includes the latest Linux features, software updates, and technologies. It uses the GNOME desktop environment by default, which is clean and minimal, focusing on distraction-free work. Fedora is backed by Red Hat, so it's great for developers and professionals who want a stable yet modern platform. However, because it updates frequently, some users might find it a bit too fast-moving if they prefer long-term stability. Linux Mint, on the other hand, is based on Ubuntu and is known for being beginner-friendly and stable. It comes with a traditional desktop layout using Cinnamon by default, which looks and feels more like Windows. This makes it easy to use, especially for those switching from Windows. Mint focuses on simplicity, speed, and reliability. It doesn't push updates as quickly as Fedora, which some people prefer for a smoother and more consistent experience. So for productivity, Fedora is better if you want the latest features and don't mind a more modern interface like GNOME. It's ideal for developers or people working in tech. Linux Mint is better if you want a reliable, easy-to-use system that just works without needing a lot of setup or maintenance. It's great for everyday office tasks, writing, web browsing, and general productivity. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.